The importance of having a trading plan and sticking to it is crucial for all traders. Now, most traders, they get into it, they're excited, they just want to trade, and they got the idea of all this money coming in. They see successful people, but they don't know how they became successful. Everyone thinks I need a secret trading strategy. I'm always going to win. I'm never going to lose. I'm going to hit the big hits, the big runs in the market, and I'm not going to get stopped out. Everything's going to be great. I'm going to get my Lamborghini. I'm going to get my mansion. I'm going to travel the world. Whatever your big goals are. Now, I'm not saying don't have those big goals. Everyone needs those big goals, but you need to develop a trading plan and sticking to it, which is the hardest part. I've been through many trading plans, and most of them have been profitable when back testing and live testing or forward testing. But when I'm actually live in the market, that's when it becomes unprofitable because my emotions take over and I would jump in too quickly and not be patient, as well as get out of trades too quickly and not be patient for it to actually work in my favor. So don't be emotional. I know it's really hard to do, but have something in place to get your emotions in check and make sure there's rules you could follow that will make your emotions go away. And you have to tell yourself, these are my rules. I know these work. I'm only gonna trade these rules. Now, if you want to be emotional and get in anyways, go do it in a paper trading account. And then you could see, wow, I'm glad I didn't do that in my live account, or I didn't do that in my funded challenge account. So I'm going to show you kind of a layout of what we have in our journals available for sale on our website, forexation.com. Link will be in the description. We have a digital version where you could print them out, or a paperback version where you could get the whole quarter printed out for you and you're ready to go for that quarter. But let's dive into this page right here. This is in the book, and this is one of the first pages because there's no point in trading and documenting your day trades, your months and weeks, if you don't have your system in place. So this is pretty basic, but it's going to cover all the points and give you room to write about it. So I do this before I look for trades. For me, my plan says I need to look where liquidity is at. What did price do from Asian session to London till now? And any PD arrays, so fair value gaps, order blocks, mitigation blocks, breaker blocks. Any of those I'm looking for in the market, as well as short-term liquidity and main liquidity at major swings. Then my trading times. I trade from the open at 9:30 Eastern time to about 11 a.m. Eastern time. So that short window is where my main trading takes place. I do PM session, but only if nothing forms in the AM session. I only trade, and for me it's the E-mini S&P 500. I used to trade EU, but I really just wanted to live and breathe one instrument, and that is the futures contracts for the ES. And that way I could just know everything about it. I'm not bouncing back and forth, missing trades, getting in bad trades here. Focus on one. It will pay out enough, and you could get everything you need out of one pair. My trading rules. So I want liquidity to be taken, or if it was taken before I got to the charts, I need it to break like a reverse. I need to break through, come back, and go into either a mitigation block, breaker block, or a fair value gap, or sometimes they overlap. Then I get in my trade. My stop loss is below that section or that swing if it's close enough to put it below that swing. And then my take profits, I have two. I have my low hanging fruit around 5, 6, 7 handles, and that's going to be at my first target. It could be the first fair value gap from the downside, or it could be liquidity, whatever. Whatever that first thing is, that's my low hanging fruit, right around 5 to 6, 7 handles. And if nothing's there, I just get out at 5 handles. Then I let the rest of my trade run to wherever that main objective is. So if we have a high or a low where price ran from, or we have an order block or something major on a higher time frame above us, this is for buys examples, then that's my main objective. Right below it, I don't go exactly at it. I go right below it just to make sure I'm out of my trade. I don't need to be precise every time. I would like to get out before everyone gets out. Risk management, Kind of talked about my stop loss position, how I scale out of my trades, and then also if I do take a loss, and I want to get back in, a setup does form, I'll go in at half risk, and that is it. After that, we're done for the day. Those are my two main trades. Win or lose, it is what it is. Then I move on to the next day. So once you have your trading plan in place, it is important to stick to it. And like I said, I know it's hard, but it's something you really, really need to work on. And this is more important than anything else in trading. You need this system in place. Think about businesses. They don't just run off of emotions. Those are usually the ones that fail. You need systems, you need rules, and you need to follow the rules. Otherwise, you'll get yourself fired. You need to treat yourself the same way with your trading business. Your trading business is employing you as the trader, and you need to follow those rules. Otherwise, you're going to get fired. So if you want to succeed, remember, develop a solid trading strategy and rules and stick to them the best you can. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Comment your trading strategy if you want to help out others, or if you just don't know where to build a trading strategy. I kind of listed out my entire trading strategy, and go back test that. And if you don't know what those are, just YouTube them or take our courses that are coming out soon, and we'll take you from foundations to controlling your mind to the advanced trader. So can't wait to grow with you all this year. Hope you have a great year. This is your year of trading. Just do it. Don't be emotional. I know it's hard, but you could do this. If you want one of these trading journals, digital or paper copy, link in the bio. You'll see those, and can't wait to grow with you this year. Peace.